Alright guys, today I got a treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make a hobo bowl, and then I'll show you how to make it protein style 2.0. So first you need some potatoes, some kielbasa or sausage, some bell pepper, butter, garlic if you have some, not necessary. I like garlic, some onions, some carrots, Reynolds wrap, and this is the kicker, this is a game breaker, is the parchment paper. And then I like to use black pepper, garlic salt, and I like to spice mine up a little bit with cayenne. This is what I'm going to add today. Let's see if you like it when I'm done. So on top of the beef or kielbasa, I'm going to be adding some marinated tri-tip along with some bacon. So first, cook the tri-tip for probably about 7 minutes or so with the temperature about 375 on the grill. So I'm going to go cut a piece of tri-tip, throw it on the grill. And while it's grilling, I'm going to cut up my my other stuff, and I'll show you what we'll do with the tri-tip after. It's just me, so feel free to add more or less tri-tip if you decide to do the tri-tip. If not, it's not a big deal. I got this tri-tip at Costco. So I'm going to throw it on the grill for 7 to 10 minutes. Not fully cook it. I'll explain to you next why. I got the meat on there. I got the bacon over here. We're both going to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. So I have the aluminum foil under, parchment paper on top. I'm going to spray it. I personally like to take my butter into cubes, so I'm going to just kind of spread them out. I didn't use all of them. I'm going to add in my carrots, my peppers, my onions, and my potatoes, and then I'm adding my kielbasa, like so. I'm going to put the rest of the butter on top of here, and then I'm going to put seasoning on there next. So now that I got my meat, I cut it up pretty small. I like mine a little bit small, and I like it very pink. If you want to cook longer, you can, but I'll show you what to do next. Throw it on top of everything else. So without the tri-tip and the bacon, normally someone would call it maybe a hobo pack. I'm calling it a protein hobo 3.0, and if you listen all the way, I'll show you a bonus. Now we're going to go throw it on the grill. One other piece of advice is this. I like to throw my last carrot and potato on top. That way when I wrap it all up, when I open it to check, if this is soft and this is soft, I know I'm complete. If it's almost done, they're maybe a little hard, the rest of it's probably done because it's further on the burner. So all I do now is fold it all up. Throw it on the grill. My grill is like 550, so it'll probably cook a little bit quicker. Okay, I timed it. It was about 30 minutes at 450. So, slipped right off. Here's the bonus, is your leftovers. Put it on the grill, put it in the refrigerator tonight. In the morning, add your eggs, guacamole, some sour cream, some salsa, some cheese on a tortilla, and if you have the time and you want to, get some more protein, get some beans on there. Use your bean squisher, smash them up, and then you will have a really good breakfast burrito. Some people don't mind carrots in it. I don't really care, but if you don't want the carrots in there, just eat them. Make sure you eat them, and then that's it. All right, thanks guys.